everyone must use and harness the water that falls in its courtyard or corridor, and that should be the trend, and that should be made compulsory. So whether industries or urban houses, they must harness the water in their own courtyard. They must harness the rooftop harnessing also can take place, and they should not be permitted to draw water from say 1,000 to 2,000 feet low, bore wells, which really has a serious impact in terms of drying of the wells around. So one thing is that the industries must have their independent source of water, but that such that it would not make the common people, the public in the region, pay the cost. Like they having their own dams and then diverting the waters from the reservoirs at the cost of the other people should not be permitted. And whatever the industries would take away from the public resource or the common property resource should also be subject to the consent of the local people. Not only the local self-government, but also the Gram Sabhas, all the village communities in the rural area, and also the ward Sabhas, the people in a ward or even a sub-ward in a muhalla in the urban areas. Also, the industries are now doing pure and sheer business with water. They are extracting water and filling the bottles in the name of mineral water, which is generally not really proved and tested to be mineral water, but they claim to be so, as it was exposed by Center of Science and Environment, and also as it got exposed when the Kerala state of government, the government of Kerala, asked Coca-Cola to pay extra charges because they were using mineral water. They said they are not selling mineral water, they are really selling drinking water. So these industries are given the licenses to draw water at the cheapest rate, 55 paisa per liter or so. They draw and they sell at the rate of 10 to 18 rupees per liter, so per bottle. So it is very clear that this kind of business, which is of millions or even billions of dollars business and an international business, really is commodifying the resource like water, which is a life supporting resource, and that should not be permitted. People should boycott selling and purchasing of bottled water, and also they should not permit the state to do so. So there should be protest, there should be questioning in every region, not only where the factory comes up, but even across the country. And this industrialization or corporatization of water and land otherwise would never bring in the equity and justice, whether in the water sector or the land allocation.